How to add new card on Klarna. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Klarna. Make sure that you have already installed this application. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, it will land you on this homepage. Now, in order to add a new card, you have to click on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Other Card. Now you have to scan the barcode in which you want to add it in the Klarna account. Or you can also enter manually, so tap on Enter Manually at the bottom. Enter your card number and also the store name. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Add. If all the informations are valid, then the card will be added to your account and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.